Anyone know how hard it is to make a touchdown? My feet are wet. Are your feet wet?
Yes, very.
Are your feet wet?
Insanely.
Insanely? Are you having fun?
I am.
Okay. Just checking. I saw this on TikTok and Hannah Jordan just told me to try it.
Slam it. You have to like slam it up. Yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna go get ready for You's Got Talent. Thanks, Vance. Thanks, Vance. Come on. Sorry, I'm just joining. What do I do? Oh. She's good. Hayden. Tell me about your act.
Well, I'm gonna do some pretty awesome magic tricks, so it's gonna be pretty great.
What's the reaction you're hoping for? Can you make the sound that you want?
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. How did he do that?
No! What? How does he do it? Silly little giggle. Oh, that was a fun little laugh. Can you laugh again? Like that? A giggle?
Get it up.
I can't do it. Do you have a cute little giggle? Oh, that's such a cute little giggle. You have such a silly little giggle.
Who does?
You.
Oh. How are you today?
I'm good.
Well, here's a good thing. This is my first ever, I'm a senior. This is my first ever time I've gotten to go to the county fair.
What? I'm so sorry. Hi, sorry, I just gotta go. I just gotta be on the other side. Hi. Oh, you're so nice today. I just gotta get to the other side. I'm really sorry about that. Oh, hi, Jen.
What's up?
Hi. Oh, sorry, I just gotta get to the other side. Hey, Ashlyn. Oh, excuse me. Whoa. I just gotta get to the other side. Don't worry about it. I'm just making it. I forgot on this side, so it's okay. Sorry about that, guys. It was on this side. So don't worry about it. Thank you.
Yeah.
I think all Evangel boys are the best. Do you agree?
I totally agree. Absolutely. Men at Evangel carry themselves with confidence.
Confidence.
So they believe in themselves.
Yeah. Can you show me an Evangel man's strut? Oh. Whoa. Okay.
The temporary commentator because Alexa, as you can see, is getting her picture taken.
You take that. Don't worry.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Evangel University. We are Valor.
Okay.
So as you can see, Haley here is taking the photo. She's zooming in on the lens. It looks great. The picture's probably looking great. The women are smiling. I think it's a 10 out of 10 photo. They're doing great.
Why are you so excited to be on this homecoming court?
I can tell I'm excited because my legs have been shaking all morning.
You look so good.
Thank you. You know, the cake was unexpected, but I think it's a look.
Can you give me a
A little twirl, sure.
Thank you. Oh, I had a really fun day. Thank you, Evangel, for letting me do this. I hope you let me do it again. And thank you to the people of Evangel for being my favorite people. Thank you to this football field for being wet. Thank you to Jesus for making the rain go away. This is Alexa Reed. I'm done now.